is the Beatrush Laile. I've also used their anodized cap for the sound tube removal, if you remember a few videos back. Absolutely stunning. Beautifully made. So we've got that one there. Here are the bolts that pop onto the actual strut itself, or the strut tower area there. One large, one small. That's the two holes. There's already two there. You don't have to drill anything. There's actually some stickers over these holes. This is gold is the Beatrush colour, and we have the adjustable part that goes on, rests against the master cylinder. So when you push the brake, this actually holds it from pushing forward. Okay, I'm going to get this sandblasted along with the bonnet strut, because I want to paint it body colour, and we'll pop this into the anodize so it matches everything else. Very good. And here we also have a pigeon calling outside. Everything I just mentioned. There we go. Here they've pulled the stickers off, and yeah, it leans against that. And they've taken the strut tower off, I think, just so you could get a good picture there. Yeah, so that's about as stiff as I get my car get. I've got strut braces, this brace. I think that's plenty, as long as the suspension coming up as well. That's the sound tube here that we deleted. Okay, this is the instructions in Japanese. See, it's just bolt access pretty much. But again, we'll go through this once. Yeah, you've got to go through the take the wheel off through the inside, which means also taking off the inner lining, I'm guessing. That's not fun. I'm guessing these go together. This might be, I'm guessing this is the warranty. Okay. Alright guys, so next you'll see this, it'll be sandblasted, and I'll be needing to paint it. So that'll be next. Cheers. Thank you. Hey guys, just an update. I'm not sure where this is all going. I've got, again, lots of stuff going all at once, so I might get this done at my service. I'll see if I can do it first, but we'll see what happens. But hopefully I've already done the earlier opening video. So again, this is the Beatrush master cylinder brace. Okay, as I may have mentioned in the previous ones, I'll go over it again. I got this sandblasted because it was gold. I got this done the other day by Universal Metal Polishers, really good people. Okay, so yeah, it's completely bare metal, so I'm going to have to use some metal primer here, which is almost out. I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish it. We've got the body colour, which is what it's going to be, the 61K Tornado Grey, and the acrylic clear. Please remember too not to mix up your enamels and acrylics like I do. It won't work well. Alrighty, and I've got some isopropyl alcohol if we need to be cleaning. Try not to touch this too much with oil and fingerprints. I just want to get done before it starts rusting. Now what I'm also going to do, so this is the original bolt that came with it, that goes in here, which basically goes there, but I don't like this black one. I really like the Grim Speed one. Sorry, I'm in a rush. But yeah, they don't make the one for the Australian market, so what I did, I went down and got a longer bolt down at the bolt store, high tensile steel, included with bolt, exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is cut the head off this, use these two nuts, I guess, as locking nuts, use the Cusco one I used from another brace that I got as a spare part. This will go on there like that, which will go through like that and look really, really nice. And I needed to cut off the heads too because I can't get an angle in through this way. Just check the screen. So yeah, I'm going to need a completely nutless thread there. So yeah, it'll look really, really nice. It'll work exactly the same as well. And these are the bolts for the strut tower. Sorry, the inner strut tower area there. There's actually holes already there for it, so perfect fit for that. All right. So yeah, I'm not going to show you spraying it. You've already seen me done it 1,000 times. It's nothing new. So yeah, I'll just go out and see how much paint I've got left, and I'll show the update when it's all done. That way I'll give it plenty of time to cure, and it'll be hard enough when I stick it into the engine bay. Alright guys, cheers. So this is the primered part here. Thought I'd show you quickly. Just glad I got this done, so it's had time to cure overnight. I just didn't want it being in bare metal for too long, obviously. So today we're going to use the 61K and then the top clear coat. It's going to be really, really hot today, so I want to get this done. It's going to really, really dry it out nice and quick, which is fantastic. So yeah, so it's primered. I'll get onto it and yeah, I'll show the result. Thanks guys. Okay guys, well I got this painted yesterday. It wasn't the best conditions because it was a little bit too hot, unfortunately, but it's okay. Gloss came out quite nice. I got a little bit heavy-handed with the second coat, but yeah, I had it sandblasted, as you know, and yeah, it was just better overall, so that's nice. We've got a body color now, which is 61K Tornado Grey. Obviously, as I said before, it was gold, which was not suiting me. Okay guys, so we're actually fitting the direct brake system today. So we've got this one part all painted. Now I think I mentioned in the previous ones, we've cut off the head of the bolt, so I can actually just put it through here, so I can get the Cusco bit to fit like so, and then go like this. So it just looks a bit nicer than the original one, which is a black stopper, kind of unattractive. Okay, and next, yeah, so maybe have to take the wheel off and we'll get it bolted into the bay. Cheers guys. Okay guys, so we're in the wheel well, and we don't have to take off the inner fender obviously because it's down here. So you'll see the small bolt goes up in here in this hole, and we've already, if I can just see it, where is it? If you can see there, I've already fed this one in as well with the help of my dad. I can't see where it is. Where is it? Ah, there it is, yeah. So we've got those two bolts in, and you should have two stickers there for right hand drive and left hand drive, and that's what it looks like in here. So we'll just do the other bolt and I'll show you what it looks like. So that's the stopper done, that's done. Okay guys, that's the stopper done there. We've got these in here, and we have the stopper straightened down in here as well. So yeah, that's fastened. We've also got the ones done under here. Okay, and then the other one here. So yeah, it's all done. Alright guys, cheers. I'll show you once I've got the towels all off as well. Guys, I just thought I'd move the car out into the light so you can just get a better look, because it was in the garage. It's now a couple of days after. Recovered a little bit. You can see it in there. It looks really, really good. Close up here. The Cusco stopper instead of the Beatrush one. Again, I think it really suits the uniformity of the engine bay here with their Laile Beatrush plug there. It all turned out really, really well. Big thanks to my mum and dad too for coming down and helping out. Really, really, really made it much easier. So yeah, I've tried the brake. It does feel solid, but that could be a placebo effect. So I'll drive around and do an update. I haven't really slammed on the brakes, so I haven't really gone far. But yeah, is it worth it? I don't know. For me it is. It looks really, really nice in the bay. And yeah, this does flex, as it's been shown, but we'll see down the track. Oh, something else. I thought we'd do a couple of little updates while we're here too. I finally got this one back, thanks to the electroplaters. Did an amazing job, so kudos to him. Something people won't probably notice, but yeah, I think it looks great. It really matches everything else coming out here too. And unfortunately, next we're going down to Smart Paintworks again to fix a little dent we have down here. Where is it? Just here, bottomed out on a rock at the wreckers a couple of months back. It's going to be $550, so just want to get that out of the way and fixed. Next is registration. Got to pay for that, and the custom license plate, the docky one there. Service next with the pedals getting put on. Then the suspension, and then after that we'll get the tyres on, and then the brakes. Hopefully it all goes well. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Another thing before I go too, I'm just going to, some of the carpet on the back of the seats has gone a bit fluffy. This is a Depiler for socks and whatnot. Just bought it off eBay from China. So yeah, I'm just going to try that on the back of my seats to see how that looks too. So let's give that a go. Just a quick brush over. Just get rid of a bit of the fluff that's come up over the years, you know. Could be doing the completely wrong thing, but yeah, I just thought I'd have the idea and just try it out. I have my carpet, if you've seen my earlier videos, that actually run over this. So run over this, cover this, sorry. With the 86 embroidered logo from America there. That's something I bring out for shows though, not for every day. It's too nice to get it accidentally wrecked. This is where the subwoofer eventually goes. Careful of corners and stuff too, depending on your upholstery. You don't want to wear a hole in it if it's at a weird angle or something. This thing charges by USB too, which is nice, and comes with a lot of replaceable blades, which is awesome. Going to go a little bit ambidextrous here. Looks much cleaner now. I'm getting the carpet replaced anyway, but I just want to see if it worked for future cleanings. Yeah, okay guys, appreciate it. Cheers.